Are we having fun yet? Yes, because we're painting, and that's fun. So we're going to put some paint up here and get this ready for action. There is a lot of pressure right here. This is holding up a warped board that had to be compressed to make it go back into place. And it's been sitting there for a while now, so it can take a new set. And let's see if it's adjusted. Before we do though, I'm going to put a bunch of screws right here so that this board will hold the board inside in place. I think it's going to work. But now there's one thing that we haven't thought about, haven't mentioned yet, and it's really important. Suppose there's like 4 feet of snow on the roof, and Santa Claus comes with the sleigh loaded full of big, heavy power tools. We want it to be strong enough for all that. So this post is hollow, and we did some work down here. There's a little bit of doubt. We don't want there to be any doubt. So we've got something for that. We got a big solution for that. So this may not be strong enough, but this is. And so you might be asking yourself now, how do you put a square post in a round column? And the answer is with a power saw. Yes, I like this post and I want it to hang around. So let's make some shims and we'll fasten it steadily in place. And this thing will slice off the end for us. All right, now we got something extremely strong, very sturdy, and if the house falls down, I think this post will still be standing. Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed our preservation adventure today, and we'll see you next time.